guys, we're in another video. So today we're playing Baldi's Basics roleplay, but it turned into a beta. I'm gonna tell my friend that I have started it. So I'm with my friend RJ and Puppy again. So if you remember that video when I was playing with my friend RJ and Puppy at Beathworm Simulator, you would know me if you watched it.
Give me your gift.
So I'm gonna show you how to get these badges, new badges. So my friend said, let's go to school, okay? I'm gonna run to school. So I'm gonna run to school. I was about to show you badges, and here's the secret. Here are these generators, and they actually work. Look, my mouse, it's working. But you have to wait until it's green, so I'll show you how to do it. You have to wait until they're green and then click water. And if you want... So, these are the modes. Mods? Question mark. Okay, so these are all the modes for the machine. So I'm gonna show you water first. So it might take. So first is gonna be fog, then water, then test. So if you want to make videos, you must have an account and go. Never mind, I can't show you. But I can show you on next. Oh, my hand's fire. And here, so first mode. Fog. Yeah, fog. So let's wait. So, wait. Aw, my friend is on my head. Oh, yes, I clicked fog. Oh, the water. Yes. Yes, it is. So Hannah is babysitting right now, so I'm just making a video. So this is flood mode. Next I will be showing you badges when I show you all of these. I just need to show you fog and test. Well, test is just traps you. Test just traps you. And if you want to if you want to drown, you have to be a player, and then scared thing. Like, how do I get out? So I'll tell my friend, where is he? I usually call him Puppy, but his real name is, I don't know his real name yet. So if you want this badge, alright. So I'll tell my friend. Next one. I show all moves. I will show
Detention for you. When will you learn?
get these
Detention for you. When will you learn? No bullying in the home. Detention for you. When will you learn?
So my friend Arjan Puppy,
No eating food in
he's
the
gonna
home.
show me also how to get all
Detention
show
for
me
you.
all VIP stuff.
When will you learn?
This is a lag, seriously. Next is fog. Well, it just makes you don't see a lot. And this is a hard one. I'll just go move on to here. You have to wait until it's green, actually. So I'm watching a I'm making a video. So this is how. So fog is a little weird because fog is come. There's a little fog. So just click. And here's a jump rope. I'll just jump rope 10 times. 2, 3, 4. There. I did 10 jumps ropes. Oh, my mouse is a little laggy, so don't worry about that. So my friend RJ Puppy, he's the buddy. You can see his name, so he's the puppy. Oh my mouse is lagging. He said, and for tests, we need to show the lock. Yee! Don't worry about my mouse, it's just laggy.
No running in the home. Detention for you.
Look, you cannot see in fog mode.
When will you learn?
I wish my friend Gigi was here to see my vid, so he can be in the vid, but he's not. And this is playtime. This is a badge, so I'll show you how to get this also. Next, we're gonna do tests, but we have to wait. So I'm gonna pause the video and just tell you when I'm done. When it's let's wait.
Detention in the home.
Actually, I don't know. Wait.
No surprises in the home.
Ha,
Detention
Maria,
for you.
Maria, Goku, Law.
When will you learn?
We're waiting until
No
the
drinking drinks in the
the
home.
button is green, and is it still foggy? Is it still foggy? I can't move. Oh, there we go. No,
Detention
it's
for
not
you.
foggy anymore. Yeah, it's not foggy anymore. So just Wait. I'll just scroll.
No entering school. Faculty only. Rooms in the hall.
Faculty. Get away. This
Detention
is our
for you.
machine.
When will you learn?
He said he'll be right back because he said YouTube. I'll be right back.
Detention for you.
I'll just keep clicking. Do not push. Yes, push. Okay, says YouTube. Okay, says YouTube. Bruh. No one actually said bruh, does it? So let's wait. And I still have my pajamas on, and it's still nighttime. It's nighttime for real. Cause look. You can't see right now, and I actually moved, so we're waiting. Okay, so YouTube. So it might take a while, so let's just wait. Guys, they actually say okay, so if you did, okay. Please do not use the generator. Yeah. Well, I will use the generators. He said my hand's on fire. Yeah. Trying to click the button. Oh, yes. This is the lockdown. So this is test. It's just lockdown. It's just a lockdown. You can't. You have to try to escape. So have you already found these machines? Okay, great job. Well, if you haven't, I'm just doing the video now. So I'm going to do 3 things. Just. Test. I know. I'm waiting until this test is done.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
So now, when after this is done, so this is how to get Undertale Baldi. So you go to Cherry's Playhouse. Oh, my mouse is not working.